Hello, I'm here to show you how to replace the lace on the Boa M3 system used on many Simms wading and fly fishing boots. You should have received in the mail the Boa M3 replacement knob kit, which contains the instructions, also available online at www.boatechnology.com, a replacement M3 knob, spool, and T6 tool. Please note, there is a second kit available which contains the replacement lace. I will simulate a broken lace. First, we must remove the knob by placing our T6 tool in the center of the knob and rotating counterclockwise to loosen. Next, we must eject the lace and the spool. We can use our tool to pry it out of the housing. And then we're simply pulling the rest of the lace through the system to remove. Then we can take the length of lace, which will be specific for the size of boot that you have, and we simply lace up the boot as we would with a traditional lace, ensuring that we get all tongue guides as well as all the eye state guides. Once you've got to the top of the boot, make sure that you put your lace end through the housing as well. At this point, you can refer to the M3 spool tying video, which will show you how to attach the lace ends to the M3 spool. Once you have replaced the spool and tied each lace end to the spool, we pull the lace through the housing, and we want to seat the spool in the housing so that it is laying flush, being sure that there's no lace that has gotten caught in between the spool and the housing itself. So that looks good. And then put our T6 tool center of the screw, put the screw in the housing, rotate clockwise to tighten down. You'll feel some tension. And with the knob ejected, to ensure that the knob has been secured properly to the housing, want to be sure that the knob is not freely spinning and that there's also no excessive wobble. This knob looks good. So we have successfully replaced the lace on our M3 boots.